All right.
Ready?
Let's do it. I'm winded.
So pretty.
It's gorgeous. So this is like off terrain.
What?
This is like some crazy terrain. Like, look at that. Woo! I am totally meaning to be moving right now. Ah! I'm scared I'm gonna go up the mountain. Holy shoot! Oh no! We're good. We're good. We're good. That is good. Oh. Oh yeah. I just gotta be ready to zoom once I get up.
No, you don't. Turn your feet sideways. Turn them the other way. Oh, wait for the drop off.
Oh my gosh.
Remember, if you ski to, like, in this case, if you ski to the right, you hit powder. If you ski to your left,
You're dead.
bye-bye.
Yeah. All right, I'm just gonna.
I don't want to have to explain to anybody why I lost Emma.
All right.
Because she went off the side of the mountain.
I'm going. Okay.
Yeah, hold up. There's 2 more people.
Okay.
Are we all breaking? Okay, never mind. You're good.
All right. I'm. Oh my God. Oh, vlog, I'm so tired.
Oh yeah, almost died.
That was painful.
Huh?
Did you almost die? Oh no. What happened?
Going too fast and then hit some moguls.
Did you fall?
No, look behind you. See where that guy's coming? That blue guy coming around the hill?
Yeah.
I actually went to the right or to the left and went over that.
So you actually almost died.
Yeah. I went up over the top of it and onto the black.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Here's the problem. I can't turn around and look while I'm skiing, so I would have had no clue.
That's fine.
Yeah, you did. And the GoPro got to see it.
Yeah.
Are we getting on?
Yep.
I'm thinking this one may be my last.
Oh yeah, we're done for the day. We're headed to the bottom. The question is, do you want to ski to the bottom or do you want to gondola to the bottom?
Oh, I could ski to the bottom. It depends on what you're up for.
I'm fine. That's what I was planning on, skiing to the bottom. That's what.
Oh yeah, that's perfectly
This
fine.
was the last run of the day. That's what I told Mom whenever I texted her when we were at the bottom. I was like, hey, we're gonna go up to the top of the mountain and finish the day off and just do one run.
All right. Look how big the ice or the snowflakes are. They're huge.
Which one do you want to do?
For sure.
Up to you. Which other one doesn't have those awful mogul situations?
I can't promise anything.
Well,
Everything's gonna be chopped at this point.
Yeah.
baby moguls.
Keep your knees bent. It won't be a problem.
I try. I literally tell my brain to bend my knees and somehow I'm standing straight up.
Yeah, man. Good luck. Thank you. Y'all
Have fun. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Should we try sunny side? I'm joking. I'm joking. It's a joke. Please don't make me do sunny side.
That is completely up to you, sweetheart.
No thanks.
Do whatever you feel like doing.
I don't feel like doing that. Oh great, my goggles are loose. I'm not even gonna try with them.
Huh? What do you mean they're loose?
They're unclipped.
No, they're not.
Oh, they're not? Why are they so damn loose?
Hey, turn your head around. Yeah, right. Because they're just not even. Pull down on them evenly. Boom.
Now we're cooking.
Almost like if you wear your shirt right.
It would work.
Hi.
Crazy. No, I honestly need to have them off. I can't see
Really?
with them on.
Okay. Well, we'll just take.
And
it
I'd
easy.
rather, oh no, like going this way is totally fine.
We'll go down. Why not? What we'll do is we'll go all the way down. Why not?
All right.
This time, it'll just be a different than running BC Ski with.
Okay.